Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and if you can't tell from what I'm standing on, I am on board our 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. I've been doing these videos for a while. You guys know how I feel about this boat, and if you don't, look at the smile on my face and what I'm standing on, and you'll know. This is one of the very best South Florida boats that exist. We love these things, and part of it's what I'm standing on. This is the optional swim patio door on this boat. It adds a couple of weeks to the build time, but let's talk about what this adds to your life. Whether you're a diver and you want an easy on spot on the boat, it does that very well with a center post dive ladder there. If you're going to the sandbar and you want a place to put the cooler so you're not on and off the boat all the time, does that awesome. How about that lobster trip in the Keys you've been talking about with the family for years, or even scalloping in Homosassa? For all of that, this piece right here is key. We love it, and the way people buy these boats so much reflects that they love it as well. But there's more. Let's start at the back and talk about why. This is one of the early hybrid boats. This one has twin 225 horsepower new V6 power from Mercury. Those are the white motors. We love them. This is a phenomenal casting deck right here. But when you want to carry a load of people, it's an even better bench. Boston Whaler does such a nice job making this a comfortable seat that also feels secure because it's down low in the boat. Under here, we hide a cooler. From Yeti on this particular one, you have fresh water, and you're gonna find, if you like to fish at all, that these rod holders right here you'll use incessantly. They're for rigging your rods. They're so useful right here in front of you. That live well, it's in the leaning post. The lid doesn't give you a true picture of what it is. This live well is incredibly deep. Lit, very powerful, has rounded edges. Guys, this is genuinely, you can put 5 dozen, maybe 6 dozen thread fins, greenbacks in there. You can even get 4 dozen goggle eyes in there if you need. This boat will fish. One thing you don't see here is the outriggers. They are an option on these boats. You really can fish these boats very hard. Here forward at the helm, one of my favorite places to be. This boat has a great bolster setup here. It's very, very comfortable, and they do 2-stage footrests. So whether you're standing or you want to have your feet up because you're sitting down, they take great care of you. We have this factory rigged with 9-inch axioms from Ray Marine, straight from the factory, transducers in. You've already got your VHF, which is DCS equipped, so it pulls a GPS signal. You've got your 4-inch vessel view from Mercury, so that you don't need to put your engine data on screen, so you can. And that great Fusion stereo. The rest of your hard switches are there. And of course, trim tabs on this boat, those digital controls. Let's go hit one more piece of this boat before we're done. The front part of this boat doesn't only lend itself to the fisherman. If you can't see the seating around me, it's substantial. I'm standing in the middle of it now, and a table actually can go here to give you a dinette area forward. But these loungers, believe it or not, are comfortable even at a 28, 30 mile an hour cruise speed on a decent day. And if it gets too rough but you still want to be forward in the sun, this is the best seat on the boat by a mile. But underneath this seat is a massive tilt of the head to whether it's a family, a diver, or just someone who has a lot of gear to bring with them, maybe making an abacos run like some of our customers do. That is a great storage spot right there for anyone that climbs on board this boat. Again, guys, I'm Jeremiah. This is MarineMax Sarasota, and this is our 2020 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. If you want to be on the water right now, this boat is rigged and ready to go. We'll talk to you soon.